Sometimes clients may require to restrict some of the fields to some users. Set default value in each field or column, field-wise restriction conditions, display field or column name as per the user, display field or column position as per the user, make any field read-only or hidden, width flexibility, and many more can be achieved through views, which is a tab in Voucher Wizard. To create user-wise views, we are using Voucher Wizard. Here, use this Views tab. Type the name. So let us assume we require a view with the name View1. So in this View1, let us assume we want to hide some fields. Say some sales account must not be displayed and update stocks must not be displayed. So we can hide some fields or columns. So this View1 we can allot to one user. So check the username to whom this view is to be allocated. Then save. So not only we can create any number of views like this. So to create a new view, once again type the new name. So this view 2 in which all the fields are visible. All the fields are normal. This view I am providing to super user. Like this we can have so many views. Those views can be allocated to the users. Sometimes the user may be expecting to change the name. Instead of customer, he may require some other name as buyer. So that can be achieved. The name of this can be changed through views. In a view 2, let us assume we require buyer. Now the name is changed over here. Not only the names of fields, even we can change the names of the columns as per the user requirement. So next is we can set the default values also over here. So instead of typing the same quantity, let this be loaded as 1. So even we can type the default value for accounts also. So in this case, we have to use the sequence number of the account. So let us assume the sequence number of sales account is 4. So we can enter 4. So every time sales account will be loaded into that particular screen. So not only for quantity, for any column or any field, we can have default values. Say next, restrict formula. The purpose of restrict formula is we have a requirement like if the discount is greater than 10%, then the user must not be able to save the entry. So AA is the input variable for discount. So if AA is greater than 10, then some message must be displayed like discount must be less than. Even this message will appear at the time of entry. Must be less than 10%. So this condition we have given in view 1. Now if user tries to enter the discount more than 10%, then he will be getting a message. Discount must be less than 10%. This message we have given in Voucher Wizard. In this way, field-wise restriction condition can be recorded. Even the message will also appear. So here we have a width flexibility also. So for example, we may require some more width for the quantity column. So for that, take the maximum size as 4. Now the quantity column will up. So we did that in view 1. quantity column. Earlier by default size will be with a very less width. So now we have taken maximum size. That's why the quantity column is maximum. So not only these things, through voucher wizard, we can also move the position of the fields or columns. So for that we have to use this move up and move down. So let us assume we require customer name before sales account. So for in view 1, when we use this move up, now customer is moved before sales account. In the same way, sometimes we may require this color column immediately after product name, that is achieved through move up. After item name, the user will be able to select the color. So let us check this. So customer name, then we are getting immediately after product, we are getting this color. As we have hidden the sales account, it's not appearing over here. At the time of product creation, we may have given some code. So sometimes the user may be expecting the code immediately after selecting the product. That is possible through insert info column. So simply select from which table the column is to be inserted, then code. Immediately after item, the product code is inserted in view 1. So let us check this. When I select, its code is appearing over there. Few more options are there in voucher wizard. This option body read only, to make the whole body as a read only. We have this option if we want to make this screen or this view as a authorize only, then we need to check this. So available on web. Next is to insert any line in between we are using, to delete any line we are using this. So always load the documents from links. So if we choose this option, so every time in this view it must be loaded from a link.